These two examples are quite similar to the tree example, except they do have to deal with time. It says an employee arrives at work sometime between 8 and 8:40. Based on past experience, the company has determined that the employee is equally likely to arrive at any time between 8 and 8:40. Find the probability that the employee will arrive between 8:10 and 8:15, round to 4 places. We're still going to be using the formula for the area of a rectangle, which is length times height, and you're still going to be thinking about your x-axis, which is your length, but your A and your B are your time, so it's just 8 and 8:40. And then for the probability, they're asking, what's the probability that the employee will arrive between 8:10 and 8:15? So you're just going to put those times on the number line in their respective places. We don't know exactly where they go, but we know they go in this type of order. Okay, so for our length, from 8:10 to 8:15, that's 5 minutes. So 5. And then for our width, we're still using 1 over B minus A. So B minus A, that gave us 40 minutes. And then we turned that into a decimal. In the second example, we're looking at that same employee that arrives between 8 and 8:50. Well, I guess it's a different employee. And now we're looking for the probability that the employee will arrive between 8:10 and 8:45. So a bigger window of time, but we're going to do this the same way. You've got your x-axis where you're going to put your A and your B. This is your x-axis. This is A and B. Okay, and then in your probability it says what's the probability of the employee arriving in between 8:10 and 8:45. So you're also going to need to put those on the x-axis. So then we're needing to know our length, which is 45 minutes minus 10. So our length is 35 minutes. And the width is still the formula, 1 over B minus A. So B minus A is 50 minutes. So it's just 35 times the 1 over 50, and we get the decimal equivalent of that.